So, welcome back, not to the Military Guna TV, but back to the pitch is Leon Bailey. Back to the pitch is Leon Bailey. Leon Bailey is back on track, people. He is now reunited with his team and looking forward to a start over this weekend. Now, we all know that Leon Bailey was out for a good stench because of hamstring injury, but hopefully he's now back at 100% fully and ready to go. Guys, please remember, smash that like button and also subscribe to the Military Guna TV. And definitely, so we're going to speak about Leon Bailey and also Michail Antonio. Michail Antonio received the Player of the Month award in the Premier League. He's now the first reggae boy to receive that in the Premier League. In the Premier League, the first reggae boy to receive Player of the Month award in the Premier League. Can you imagine? Doing business. Well, let's see how that one goes, people. Let's go straight. Let's divulge into some of the things that Michail Antonio did over the time period to receive that award. And then now we're going to also look at Leon Bailey's the comments being made about Leon Bailey. Now, what you're seeing here, people, based according to WhoScored.com, Michail Antonio performance in August. More goals. Oh my word. Why did I have to involve Arsenal? More goals than Arsenal, Norwich, Wolves, and Burnley combined, which is 3. Arsenal's on none. So he has 3 assists, 16 shots, 7 key passes, 6 completed dribbles, player rating averaging 8.84. As they said, a worthy Player of the Month award. Now we all know that this man is a talented striker, a very, very good striker. We didn't see that display though. We didn't see that display though for us, but we know what he has and what he can deliver. We all know that. But in all aspects, we want him to stay this sharp because coming this next few weeks, like next 3 weeks, we'll be back at it again. We'll definitely be back at it again. And we're hoping that Michail Antonio is in full shape, 100% shape. We have to protect him because of his known injury. But good performance this month. And I wish he could have topped it off with a beautiful debut for the Reggae Boyz team. That didn't happen, but that is football, people. That is how football is. Now, we're going to move over now to the man, one of the Reggae Boyz. I think Reggae Boyz poster boy, one of the poster boy. We have a lot of them. We have a lot of them. Leon Bailey, back in training. Why is this not loading? Back in training. Definitely excited to see. Excited times, as the Aston Villa fans would say. Back in training and looking to feature this weekend. He's looking to feature this weekend. Why is this not loading? I have no clue why this is not loading. Oh, I didn't press it. What? Really? I didn't press it. I could have sworn I pressed the button. See, I don't know what is happening. What is really happening? So they're be facing off against Chelsea. Let's see if he can get something on them. I would really like that. I would really like that. But he's back in training. The team is confident. The players are happy to see him. Coach Dean Smith is also happy to see him back in the colors. And as Reggae Boyz fans, we are glad that he's back because we know that, and we now have back our poster boy for the games in October. Hopefully everything in the camp can be settled and we can have a good campaign going forward. But for now, this is the latest that's happening, people. The latest news that's out there. Leon Bailey back in his colors. Let me see. I could have sworn that I got a video. Let me see if I can load up the video, people. Let me see if I can load up the video. Because I did got a video of him in training. So just give me a second, people. I'm trying to load it up. Yeah. I don't know why it's taking so long. Let me stop share. Let's go. I have no clue why it's taking so long, guys. I have no clue. But I'm going to show you. It's just a short clip of Leon Bailey hitting the back of the net in training session. And it's coming. Good, just found it. Looking sharp. Okay, so just found the people, so I'm going to bring it up now. I was searching for a while there, and I do apologize for that. Do apologize for that. So here it is. The Villa fans are extremely happy that he's back. Ooh, lovely piece of trickery. Beautiful. Lovely piece of footwork right there. So, guys, that is it. That is it. Lovely piece of footwork from Leon Bailey. So hopefully we get back these guys quite soon. I'm hoping that we get them back quite soon. And definitely looking forward to October, where we have all of our players back fully fit, and hopefully this red listing don't affect us. I'm praying, please. But for now, people, this is what's happening. Oh, guys, please go and check out my previous video that I did on Andre Blake. I covered him. I covered his 3 games. Look out for more of those videos. I will also be covering a few more players. Looking forward to that as well. The one that I'm working on right now is actually Corberg, which most people don't know. Is one of my favorite. Well, I think he's my favorite reggae boy at this moment. Previously, one of my favorite players was actually Tuffy Anderson. A lot of people don't know, but definitely Corberg is my favorite reggae boy at this moment. So I'm working on his profile right now. I did the one on Andre Blake this morning, so you guys can go and check that one out. Definitely. I'll see how that one goes. So, people, as remember, thank you very much as well. I've hit 1 million views. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. So, and you know the work goes on from here. Definitely, this World Cup campaign is a big one for both Reggae Boyz and also the Reggae Boyz fans who are looking towards great things this World Cup. And if we can make it to the World Cup, if we can make it to this World Cup, I'm telling you, it's going to be huge. It will be huge for every single one that is a part of it. And I'm looking forward to another national holiday. Big up. So, people, thank you again for tuning in. Military Guna TV, people. I am out.